Meet Planufacture, AI-driven scheduling for process manufacturers. Let's walk through a typical weekly planning cycle for a crisps manufacturer. We'll plan production, order materials, and release work to the floor. Everything you need to go from forecast to execution. Here's a 2-week production scheduling window. Let's see how easy it is to create a new schedule. We'll start by looking at what we need to make based on the demand forecast. Inventory shows days cover across all finished and work-in-progress goods. Items in red flag any potential stockouts. We can see cheese and onion 12-pack is running critically low. Now let's create a plan for 2 weeks. Select the Optimiser icon. Select the start date and number of days to run a plan for, and hit the Start button. The Optimiser sequences production across all 4 stages: frying, seasoning, packing, and multipacking in seconds. It considers material availability, capacity constraints, setup sequencing, shelf life, and inventory targets simultaneously. Once complete, you can review the proposed schedule changes and accept them into the schedule. You can see proposed work order changes and easily assess the impact of the changes to the existing schedule. Watch as the inventory warnings get resolved, as the Optimiser recommendations get applied to the schedule. The Optimiser handles the heavy lifting, while planners retain full control through drag-and-drop scheduling, resource reassignment, timing overrides, and manual sequencing. Automation builds the plan. Planners refine it based on real-world operational constraints. Now, let's review the plan. Notice the red alert beneath this work order? That's Planufacture alerting you to a potential material shortage. The system continuously validates your plan against available inventory, flagging issues before they hit the shop floor. Click the alert to see exactly what's short. Let's switch to Materials View to get a better view of all material requirements at once. This view shows live stock levels and forecasted requirements for every raw material. Let's go ahead and order the items running low: cheese, onion, and salt for now. Select your preferred material suppliers. Set your delivery warehouse and dates. The preview shows all of your purchase orders grouped by supplier ready to send. Your material requirements for your week schedule ready to go with just a few clicks. When you create purchase orders, they are automatically pushed into your ERP for further processing. Let's go back to the schedule, and we can see that all materials requirements have been addressed. The next task is to release work orders to the shop floor. Right-click on the schedule and select Release Work Orders. This releases all your work orders up to your chosen point in time. Released work orders turn green on the schedule. Your work orders are transmitted to your production system, ERP or MES, ready to be executed by operations. And just like that, your week is planned, materials are ordered, and work is released to the floor. All in minutes, not hours. Planufacture, AI-driven scheduling for process manufacturers.